Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. And today I am here with our, it's a mango season over here, so that's why I'm getting these mangoes over here in Bangalore. So now I am come up with this Korum. This is like Tora, Korum, Utkatle, Korum, like you can name it. It's a mango, tender mango, pickle, whatever. It's very simple and you need, so this is one mango is already chopped. So I want to show you how the other mango you have to chop. So here it goes, cut this. And then cut like this. Then again this way. And then there is a seed, I think so, inside. In this it was not there. In this it was like this. So this is all actually tender. If you remove this out here. And then you have to cut this in this way, long. Okay, so this was in the water. I had washed and then I had kept in the water. Now I will throw this water out. So I will keep this mangoes split. So now there are two, I will show you the two types of mango, that is of this only. One is you just apply salt to this. You can apply some chopped green chili and some red chili powder, and you can eat it that way only. Okay. Or if you don't want the chili powder, then salt and green chili. That's it. So this is the one way, and this is the other way where we are going to add water. So you have to boil 2 cups of water and then you need a jar. Okay. Then cut like this and then it is done. So cut like this long. So in Goa, when it is seasonal, in Goa I am talking. Now here it is this time we are getting over here in Bangalore, but in Goa it's like in a May, you get April, May, and that time we do all these things. This goes best with Goan Korum or dal rice, or anytime you can have. Please take care when you are cutting this. So here it goes. Okay. So now I will add for this. So these are 2 mangoes. Now these are very spicy chilies of Bangalore. Very spicy. And salt to taste. So this is one type. You can just keep like this and eat it. Now the other one I will show you. It will go in the bottle. So take any jar which you have at home. So here is the jar. You can take a bigger jar and then put this in this. How much you want to put in this? Put, because this will store it for longer, and this you can keep for few of eating. And in this now we'll go this green chili again. And I'm taking Kashmiri chilies 2 for this. Each mango 1. So this is 2. Put in this. Then I am taking this Goan chilies. This is optional, but I am taking this also. And I am taking this 2 of Bedki chili. So now if you don't want to put Kashmiri chili, you can add this also, only this. You can use this Goan chili also, but I am putting all 3. And now I will add water, which is already hot and it has been nicely cold. So this will go in this. Close this and your korom is ready. And remaining I am going to eat it like this only. So you can keep one of like this. I will put this also to this and I will enjoy I like all this. So I will enjoy this. So hope you will also enjoy this very simple mango mango korom we call it. So Tora, Korum, whatever you give them name. Okay. Thank you.